guys, look at this.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
That looks so cool.
This is right after Hurricane Debby. Excuse me. Tropical depression. Debby hit us. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so crazy. Over here is nice and beautiful. Over there is dark and scary.
Yeah. Over there is nice and beautiful.
Yeah, let me zoom in there just a little bit.
Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh. Now let me turn down the brightness.
And this side is where it's scary, right?
Oh my gosh, guys. This is so beautiful. Anyways, we have to go back inside. I think it's going to rain soon. Yeah. High five, me at least. We survived Hurricane Debby. High five.
Let's go sleep, guys.
Okay, let's go.